guys, it's Tamika here, back with another video. So today I'm gonna do a DIY face mask. So I just cleansed my skin.
Like right now, I have no breakouts or anything right now. It's like clear, as I would say.
I'm trying the honey, coconut, and lemon juice treatment. On 100% pure coconut. Real lemon, 100% lemon juice. Pure coconut. Looking like. I'm just gonna mix it a little bit more. For that, I'm gonna soak this in hot and put it over my face to open out my pores. Put it on my face. And I hate honey, so I'm spelling it and I want to throw up. That's why I'm by that. But the rest of it, because I have a lot, because I accidentally did too much drops and stuff, I'm going to use as a hair mask next. Face mask, I recommend just closing your eyes and watching a video or something, listening to music. So that's what I'm about to do, and I'll be back. I just finished my face, washed it, and I don't really see I don't really see a difference. I mean, I see it looks clearer. I'm gonna go on to the lip scrub. So you're gonna need coconut oil, brown sugar, and honey. Just got done making it. You let it sit for 2 minutes. I just took it off. Oh, because I don't have olive oil for the lip plumper or whatever, we're going to be using coconut oil and cinnamon. Do they look bigger? They're tingling. Well, after that, I just put some chapstick on. What is that? Oh, I have a pimple right there. Yeah, it is. I jinxed myself. But I really don't see a difference in my lips, but my skin is whatever. But I mean, it's just like a thing. If you want to do it, because it was chill and fun. And yeah, I recommend doing it. But I'll see you guys later. I love you guys. Bye.